Got both sides taken care of now. This here is kind of what it looks like, all cleared out. I've wiped it all down, got all the excess off of it. It looks pretty good. All I used was a pocket knife, and it worked pretty decent. Went all the way up and around the side and got it all taken care of there. And I did the same thing with the passenger side. It's all cleared all the way around. I rolled the windows down to help at first, and then rolled them back up for this next step. But I've got it all looking pretty good, decent. I've got the strips already measured out. Took a little notch out of the end, so that way it fits around the edge of the wing window. And hopefully I'm going to get this done correctly the first time. And it's definitely not going to be easy. Okay, I've got the strip up there. Hopefully it's going to be good. I'll test it out by rolling the windows up and down. This here's the passenger side first, and I'll work on the driver's side next. Okay, the window sills that I did around the edge at the bottom seems to be doing pretty decent. I'm still going to just kind of let it sit, do its magic. I'll test the windows going up and down here in just a little bit. But that is looking a lot better than what it was. And for the windshield, I prepped it and everything, scraped off a lot of the excess glue and junk that they had previously. Got that looking a little bit better. Cleaned it all off real good. Cleaned around the windshield where the 3M tape will be going across there with the new seal once I'm done putting the adhesive in. And always make sure that you got all of your body clear of any obstacles, keeping anything from sealing in there real good. Some of this hair in the bottom looks a little rough, but where the tape goes, I should be alright. But the biggest thing is just make sure that you got your prep work taken care of before you start on the actual job itself. Well, doing the windshield, that did not work out as planned. It looks a little rough all the way around because I had to do it by hand. My caulk gun decided to work for the first couple of minutes, and then the handle on it just completely bent out of shape. I tried fixing it and couldn't get nowhere with it, so I said heck with it. I already had that tube open, going, and in order to finish this and get it actually somewhat done, I just cut the thing open and started using the little spout thing that it come with, and I just gooped it up there as good as I could, all in there real good. Got it all in every little spot possible, but yeah, did not turn out anywhere like I wanted it to. this right here is what the gun looks like. It bent the mess out of it in there. And I tried straightening it up a little bit and it just didn't do nothing. So I cut that tube open and just took that little plastic spout and just wiped it all over. Right there within the crack of the windshield where it needed to be at. And I just did that until I got it everywhere that it needed to be. There was very little left in that, so that's not too bad for having to cut it open and do it by hand. But everything else seems to be doing pretty decent. So I'll start on the next steps of weather stripping and see how that goes. Okay, I decided against going through and putting up all new weather stripping. Instead, I'm just adding to the weather stripping that is on the doors already and adding a little bit more on this back side because it likes to leak along through here. So this should keep it from running inside and make a channel for it to go across the sides instead of inside. At least that's what I'm hoping for. We'll find out. I was going to wait for putting on the black strip around this, the rubber seal, but I found out that it's supposed to rain for the next couple days and I didn't want what I had up there to become a mess. So I went on and put it on now, and it doesn't look horrible. Not great, but it works. So hopefully this right here keeps this a lot better sealed than what it has been, and it keeps some of the rain and everything from dripping on the inside now. But everything else is taken care of for now, and I'll worry about other pieces and parts of the seals when I finally get a chance to get around to it, if I absolutely need to.